In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach and forward files and photos in Gmail. Many of us find the need to share documents or memorable pictures via email, but the process might seem a bit daunting if you're not familiar with it. Fear not, as I'll be walking you through each step in a straightforward manner to ensure that you feel confident by the end. Firstly, let's log into your Gmail account. Open your web browser and navigate to Gmail's login page. Enter your email address and password, and then click Sign In. Now that you're in your inbox, let's get to the part where you attach files. Start by clicking on the Compose button located on the top left of your Gmail page. This will open a new window where you can start drafting your email. At the bottom of this new message window, you'll see a paperclip icon, which is the attachment feature. Click on this icon. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse through your computer's directories. Select the file or photo you intend to send, and click Open. This attaches the document to your email. Take note of the size of the files, as Gmail has a limit of $25 MB per attachment. If your file is larger, consider using Google Drive, which Gmail will prompt you to, as it's a seamless integrated option. Once your files are attached, it's time to fill out the recipient's email address and subject line. Be clear and concise with your subject to give the recipient a heads up on what the email contains. You could, for instance, write, "Attached documents for review," or "Photos from the party." With everything in place, review your message one more time to ensure there are no errors or missing attachments. If all looks good, go ahead and click Send. Now let's go over how to forward an email with attachments. When you decide to forward an email, any attachments included with it will also be forwarded. Open the email you wish to forward. Next, click the forward arrow found at the top right side of the email. Then, enter the recipient's email address into the To field. You can add additional recipients in the CC and BCC fields if necessary. Before sending, review the content to ensure everything appears as it should. You can add a personal message before the forwarded content to provide context. Finally, click Send. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use Gmail's features, the more comfortable you'll become. Now you're fully equipped to attach and forward files and photos with ease, enhancing your email communication. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.